Hi everyone, welcome to another TTfone tutorial. Today we will show you how to set up the SOS settings on your TT990 device. For your information, the TT990 can store up to 5 emergency contacts. Setting up the SOS emergency button is very easy. You can follow the steps shown in the video to set it up. Go to the main menu and open the SOS settings. From there you can turn the emergency SOS function on or off, depending on your preference. Under Notify for Help, you can add your SOS message recipients. You can enter the phone number manually and then press Save. Alternatively, you can tap the contact icon to select a saved contact from your phone book. Very simple. There is also an option to enable or disable the countdown alarm, depending on whether you want a sound alert before the SOS is activated. Below that, you can also edit your emergency message. Now I'm going to press the SOS button at the back of the device to test it. It will automatically send the message and it will also call the contacts you have set. Very easy, very simple and straightforward. You can now set up your SOS emergency contacts on your TT990. We're really excited to share more with you soon.